Welcome, everyone, to today's custom deep dive. Today, we are doing a real deep dive into the Kiloview KVW-U40 HDMI to NDI converter for you.
Yeah, it's a really fascinating piece of tech.
It really is. And our mission today is basically taking the manufacturer's spec sheet and decoding exactly why this specific piece of hardware is, such a game changer for streamlining video production networks.
Right, getting past the jargon.
Exactly. So, okay, let's unpack this because I think the most surprising detail right off the bat is just the physical footprint.
Oh, definitely. I mean, if you look at the physical dimensions, this thing is a disc that's just over 3 inches in diameter.
Yeah.
And it's barely an inch tall.
It's basically like a tech-powered hockey puck, right? Like it just mounts straight onto a camera shoe.
Yeah, that's a perfect analogy. And its heavy lifting core capability is taking a massive, 4K 60 frame per second HDMI signal and then converting it seamlessly into an NDI HX network stream right there on the camera.
Wow, okay. But I have to push back a little here. Is it just like a one-way street for sending video out?
Oh, no, not at all. So if you look at the ports, it actually has 2 Ethernet ports.
Okay, so what does that let you do?
It lets it pull in external IP streams, things like RTSP, RTMP, or HLS.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, and then it takes those sources and converts them into NDI HX directly on your network. It's incredibly versatile.
That is huge because the U40 lives right on the camera. It really has to solve the biggest physical headache on a set for you.
Which is always cable management.
Exactly. Cable clutter is the worst.
Yeah.
And I'm looking at a highly specific spec here. It mentions PoE, so power over Ethernet, but with DC out.
Right, yeah.
What's the so what for you as the user there?
Well, the so what is that a single Ethernet cable provides power to the U40, but then the U40 can simultaneously pass that power outward.
Wait, really? It powers other gear?
Yeah. It can run your camera or your recorder or even a monitor just off that one network cable.
That cleans up the physical space so much.
Yeah.
No more power bricks everywhere.
Exactly.
But I also want to bring up the USB port because there is a USB port on this thing, which seems kind of old school for a network device.
Well, it's actually really clever. The USB acts as a whole command center.
Oh, interesting. How so?
It provides PTZ-SO, pan, tilt, zoom control via RS-232, 422, or 485 for non-NDI cameras.
Oh.
Yeah, it supports legacy protocols like Sony Visca and Pelco, so you don't have to throw out your old gear.
Right, that saves you so much money.
Totally. And to tie it all together, there's a built-in tally light.
Nice.
Yeah, so the talent on set instantly identifies which camera is currently being controlled. No guessing.
That's incredibly well thought out.
Yeah.
So just to summarize the $469 KVW-U40 for you, it embeds 3.5 millimeter analog audio. It supports voice intercoms, and they even promise future USB video to NDI capabilities.
Yeah, they're really future-proofing it.
Definitely.
And honestly, it leaves you with a really provocative final thought to ponder.
Oh, let's hear it.
Well, think about it. If a 3-inch, $469 disc can now handle 4K conversion, power distribution, and camera control tasks that literally used to require a heavy rack of specialized broadcast gear.
Oh, massive racks.
Exactly. So how close are we to professional studio setups fitting entirely inside a backpack?